Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share your location on WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to share your location on your WhatsApp using your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your WhatsApp app and here just select the person or the chat with which you want to share your location. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Here just tap on this plus option, then select location from here and you just have to tap on this share live location. If you're getting an issue here, you just have to open your settings app, go for apps, look for WhatsApp app here, and you just have to select location and you have to select always from here. Once you have selected always and enable this precise location, you will not get the issue. Just select the share live location option, then select the duration with which you want to share location. You can select up to 15 minutes or 1 hour, 8 hours, or I'm going to select 1 hour from here, then tap on this share option and the location will be shared. So in this way you can easily share your live location on your iPhone using the WhatsApp app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.